We have brought this compact grinder for you at Unique Tools. This is a pocket-sized compact grinder that can be easily carried anywhere. It is very safe to use for cutting and grinding things. If you park your car outside and it gets locked, you can easily take it out and cut the lock. This device comes with 5 cutting discs and a charger, and keeping it at home is much more beneficial than having a steel saw. Its utility and convenient design make it a necessity in every home. If you liked this compact grinder, then please like the video and subscribe to Unique Tools.